Right guys, so welcome back to my channel. This is the Alpha Wolf channel. If you're watching my channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. In today's video, I'll be teaching you a very powerful method you can use to make sales on affiliate marketing, particularly Clickbank, using Twitter. I did a video where I explained how you can make sales on Twitter via affiliate marketing, but this method is totally different from this one. This one will be using the power of hashtag and trend. Right, so this method, I'm sure a lot of people don't know about it. I teach you guys stuff that people do not know, they've not taught you. So what you're going to do is you're going to follow my method step by step, and you make sure you follow everything I do so that you can make sales. If you're in Nigeria and you don't have the chance of creating a Clickbank account, because it is not possible for Nigerians to create a Clickbank account, I've helped over 20 something people create Clickbank accounts. There's a way we go about it. You can just send me a message on WhatsApp. It is not free, there's an amount. But then if you already have a Clickbank account, you can follow this method. This method is going to save you using traffic. If you begin to do this and continue to replicate it, you can make a lot of money. This is one of my Clickbank accounts. This particular one, I've made over $1,300, and what I'm doing is I'm teaching you step by step the kind of stuff I do. So let's go straight. If you have a Clickbank account, you need to go to your marketplace. Now we are going to be promoting products to people in the United States. You go to your marketplace and you just click on this search icon. It's going to bring out the best product. Then we are going to pick one. Now in the US, now we need to know the time in the US, so you just check for what is the time in the United States. Now the truth is, the time in the US varies. In some places it will be earlier, some places late, but then the point is they are in the morning. So this is Wednesday morning, 8:25 a.m. in Chicago is 7:25, Denver 6:25. It doesn't matter, we already know that they are in the morning. So this is what you are going to do for me. The product I'll be promoting personally this time, I'll be promoting a spirituality product that has to do with manifestation, law of attraction. So I'm just going to come here and look for a product that is actually converting, right? So I'll be scrolling down. I'll look for a product that has good gravity, good score. Look at this particular product. It's called Soulmate Sketch. You can promote this on TikTok and social media, and this product is, if you sell this product, you're going to make $18, and the gravity score is 261. The truth is, I have made a lot of money from this particular product. I'm not even going to lie to you guys. So but let's look for another product, because early in the morning telling people you're going to give them a Soulmate Sketch, me personally, I don't think that is the product I want to promote at this time, right? So look at this particular product, June wealth manifestation product. This product has 231 gravity score, and for a sale you make $48, which is something I like. I like this particular product because this product is going to fetch me good amount of money, and I think there'll be a recurring billing. There's upsell sale, but this is a one-time offer. I would have wanted a product with recurring billing, but let's say I want to promote this product. All I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on promote and get my affiliate link. This will be Twitter, right? I'm going to press enter. I'll create a uplink. You need to watch this video from beginning to the end. Do what I do. Don't make any mistake, because any mistake you make can spoil this. So you're going to go on bit.ly, bit.ly. Bit.ly is a place where you can shorten your link. For those of you that don't know how bit.ly is, just search for bit.ly, click on enter. It's going to load and open, but I already opened my bit.ly so that I will not waste time in this video. So you're going to come to create. What you are coming to do is to shorten your URL link, because the one from Clickbank is too long. So you're going to put the long Clickbank link, right? Then you click on create. It's going to shorten. Bit.ly will shorten that link for us, so we will now have a shorter link. Now this is wealth. What is the name of this product? Wealth something. Wealth secret. Okay, let me see. It's wealth manifestation. Look at this, wealth manifestation. So I'll go to Bit.ly and just save this at wealth manifestation product. Wealth manifestation. Now I now have a short link. I'm going to copy this link, but the problem is, if you take this link and you go and post it on Twitter, you can get your Clickbank account banned. I've said that in my last video. So you need to now have something like a landing page. In a case where you don't want to create a landing page, I don't like creating landing page, I'll just go on Linktree, and I'm going to just use Linktree to log in. Now Linktree is a platform where you can actually put numerous links easily. So look at this link, tr.ee. This is Linktree. If you want to go to the official website of Linktree, this is how you go. Link tr.ee. There's a mistake here. It's supposed to be 1k. So I'm going to type it again. Or just go on Google, just search for Linktree. The first one that comes out, this is it. You're just going to click on it and it's going to open. But I already have my Linktree here, and I'm going to log in. I have different Linktree account. I'll use this daily manifestation secret to log in. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the bit.ly short link I've got in this one. I'm going to put it on Linktree, then I'm going to use it to promote this product. I'll show you what you are going to do. This is very smart way to make money early in the morning in the United States. Who want to make money in affiliate marketing, and I'm showing you step by step how this is done, right? So once we log in on Linktree, we are going to create a new link for this particular product so that we can easily promote that link on Twitter. Now Linktree is taking a while to load, so basically, while maybe in the case Linktree is taking time to load because the internet is down, the next thing you are going to do for me is you're going to go on Google. You will search for trends. Look at this, trends, Twitter trends in the USA, right? Twitter trends in the USA. You're going to search. You're going to see a lot of Twitter trends in the USA, right? Okay, Twitter trends. I'm supposed to put the word trends. So Twitter is a platform where when something is trending, when people are talking about a particular information at a particular time, it will start trending, and once it's trending, you can easily get this information. So you can see something like Twitter trends in the USA. I want to have Twitter trends. Okay, beautiful. This is something something I'm looking for. So Google is going to show you what is trending and the number of people that are talking about it. In the USA, look at this. Liz Cheney has 684,000 tweets, which means over 684,000 people have tweeted about this. Super Freaks has 28,400 tweets. Republican has 135,000 tweets. This morning alone, these are the things that are trending. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to click on this first one, United States Twitter trend, and I'm going to copy the hashtags in this trend. Wow, beautiful. Look at this. These are many hashtags. I'm going to copy this, right? There are many ways to copy. You can copy, and let me use a notepad to make it very easy for myself, right? There are many ways to do this, but I want to make it easy for myself. So I'm going to open my notepad on my computer. You can do this on your mobile phone. It's just for you to copy it and paste it somewhere on a clipboard so that you can use it later. So I'll be copying these trends, right? Let me close one. I just need one for this stuff I want to do. So I'll just copy this. Look at it. This one has 824,000 tweets. I'll just paste it here. Liz Cheney. Copy this one. I'm just going to paste it here. Enter. 2. Copy this third one. I'm going to paste it. I'm just going to do this for all of them, right? 3. Now what I'm teaching you here is something that people pay crazy amount of money for. So the least you can do is to like my video, leave a comment, tell me thank you, tell me something that will encourage me so that I'll be teaching you guys more tricks. These are free knowledge I'm giving out, expensive free knowledge that a lot of people don't know about. But I love you guys. I love you guys so much that I don't mind giving this out for free. If you're ready to put in the work, you can start making money. Everybody can make money from this. Your own is not going to stop my own. My own is not going to stop your own. Yeah, if you don't have your Clickbank account, just hit me a message. I'm going to help you fix that. But that is not free, like I said earlier. Look at this. Wednesday motivation is trending. We're going to copy this and we're going to put it there, right? I'm going to tell you the reason why we are doing this for all the trend. Republican Party, we are going to copy this and we're going to put it there, right? Next one, Good Wednesday, we are going to copy this and we're going to put it in this notepad. So we have plenty trends. And we have daily, Quaddle. We're going to copy this and we're going to put it in this place. You see this? Now we have gotten this. It is in the morning in the US. We have gotten all the things that are trending in the United States. If we add all this together, this will be going close to over 1 million plus people tweeting and trending in particular different stuff. So I'm going to copy all this and I'll use them for something else. But before then, let me go back to my Linktree. My Linktree is supposed to open now. Good, my Linktree has opened. You can see different products. I've put their links here. I'm just going to come back here, copy this bit.ly, right? Go back to my Linktree. This is where we stopped. Then I'm going to create new link. I'm going to add new link here while I'm going to off some link, right? I can off some links. I don't want some links to show. I just want a few links to show. Psychic, Soulmate, Sketch, I'm just gonna off this. I'm gonna off this. I'm gonna off this. Right. So now let's put this one, wealth manifestation. I need something that can station. I can write something like powerful ancient secret of wealth manifestation. Right, this is it, ancient secret of wealth manifestation. Then I'm just gonna, I can put something like, I don't even know whether it's an article or it is a video, but I'm just gonna click watch. Maybe it is an article, or something like watch or click or read. Click here. Right, so this is it, ancient secret of wealth manifestation. Click here. Guys, do you get it? Ancient secret of wealth manifestation. Then I'm going to put this bit.ly link below. So this is it. I'm going to copy this bit.ly link. Then I'm going to put it below. Right, look at it. Control V, and I'm just going to leave it. So once I do that, you're going to see something like ancient secret of wealth manifestation. Click here. I've added this new link, ancient secret of, this is it, ancient secret of wealth manifestation. Click here. This is what I want to promote to people. Now this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to come here. This is the link I'm going to copy. I'm going to click on share URL. Now I'm going to go on Twitter. You remember that we have gone to date all the trends on Twitter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to now go on Twitter now. Then I'm going to tweet. Right, if you do not do this method, you might end up tweeting to Nigerians because you are in Nigeria and your location is set to Nigeria. So the best thing is for you to follow the method I'm following. So I'm just going to click on tweet now. Normally I don't use this account to do this kind of stuff, but because this is a practical example, I'm just going to tweet this powerful video reviews the ancient secrets of wealth manifestation, or something like this. I came across this powerful video that reviews, so it shouldn't look like you are the one that is trying to sell anything. I came across this powerful video that reviews the ancient secret of wealth manifestation. So I came across this powerful video that reviews the ancient secret of wealth manifestation. I'm going to come here. I'm going to copy this link. I'm going to copy this. Right, then I'll come to my Twitter. Then I'm going to paste it here. Right, then I'm going to go back to this my hashtags. Hope you guys are not lost in any way. I'm going to go to this my hashtag. I'm going to copy them and I'll paste them below. Right, so I'll click on, I'm going to do something like this, trends. Right, it shouldn't look like I just put rubbish there, so I'll just put like trends and I'll put this there. So everybody that has seen this trend is going to see this my tweet. This is free traffic method. Everybody that are viewing this trend will see this my tweet, and it will be easy for me to push traffic to my landing page. So this is it. I came across a powerful video that reviews ancient secret of wealth manifestation. I'm just going to tweet it. Right, then I'm going to still create something else again. I can do like 4 tweets. I'm going to tweet again. I'm going to tweet again. This time I need to come up with something creative. The link will be below. A lot of people will just be curious and they will want to click on that link. I just want to see how this test is going to sound to anybody that is reading it. Neutral, like beautiful. I used to doubt. It shows that I'm indifferent about it. So I don't want to give people this kind of sense that people can so So nice one. So I like the fact that it is neutral, so that people will not suspect I'm trying to want to convince them to want to make decision. Either it is friendly, neutral, whatever, I'm okay with that. I'm just going to tweet it, right? So with this now, in the next probably 10-15 minutes, if you go back to check this tweet and see the engagement, you'll be surprised that this thing would have been getting a lot of impression, and before you know what is happening, a lot of people will be going to your landing page and trying to see what you are trying to show them, and once they see, they click on any of those products, you can end up making money, right? You'll just be surprised that you will see that thousands and millions of people will be seeing this particular tweet. So this is the method. Once you do this, don't just continue to repeat it over and over again. No, just do it. Maybe later on, after another 2 hours, you paste the same thing again. Another 2 hours, you do it. Tomorrow morning, you do it. Before you know, you start seeing yourself making sales. This is a free traffic method. I'm sure nobody has taught you guys this. If you find this content helpful, don't forget to like my video, hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on. Believe what I'm telling you and take action, and trust me, you're going to start making sales. Bye for now. I love you guys, and I hope to see you in my next video where I give you another powerful trick of making money online.